Hello, hello, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back again. Today, we are going to learn mathematics. We are in class of P6, sorry, P5. This is a P5 class. I'm a teacher for STEM. Today's lesson is finding the equivalent fractions. I'm going to see how to find out equivalent fractions. So, equivalent fractions means equal fractions, how to equalize the fractions. So, by taking an example, one, find then equivalent fractions, find it two. Let me say find the equivalent fractions at least two equivalent fractions of 2 over 5. What are the two equivalent fractions of 2 over 5? So, when you are finding equivalent fractions, we take a given fraction and then times it 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 4 over 4, like 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 5 over 5, and etc. Those are common fractions that we multiply on a given one. So, it means 2 over 5 times this one, 2 over 2. When we are multiplying fractions, we take numerator times numerator, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and denominator times denominator, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. This is equivalent 1. Equivalent to 2s was given 2, we write 2 over 5 times the next is 3 over 3. Then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 5 times 3 is equal to 50. This is equivalent to 2. So, the answer, equivalent that we have asked, equivalent, and given fraction 2 over 5 must be equal to 4 over 10 and is equal to 6 over 15. This is the answer that I'm asking to find out more about two equivalent fractions. By example 2, by taking an example 2, find the equivalent, find the 2, no, 4, we write 4, equivalent fractions of 5 over 10. By finding equivalent fractions of 5 over 10, we may also take this given fraction times each fraction. This fraction means 1, divided by 2 or 1, this 1, this 1, this 1. Now, we are going to take 5 divided by 10 times 2 over 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Then 10 times 2 is equal to 20. And also, I take 5 over 10 times the 30 times 3 is equal to 15 divided by 10 times 3 is equal to 30. The next is 5 over 10 times 4 over 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20 divided by 10 times 4 is equal to 40. This is the 1, 2, 3, but you have asked me to find the 4 equivalent fraction. The next one, you may find 5 divided by 10 times, the next is 5 because we have already used 4. Then the next is 5 times 5 over 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 10 times 5 is equal to 15. Now, we have equivalent fraction how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 2 over 5 as you have given me. Sorry, not over 5, but you have given me 5 over 10. And 10 over 20, 10 over 20, 15 over 30, and 20 over 40, and also 25 over 50. 25 over 50. This is equal to this, is equal to this one, is equal to this one, and is equal to this one. All the fractions are equal because of equivalent means equal. Equivalent fractions means equal fractions. When you do this one, you get equal solutions. Thank you so much. I'm a teacher for STEM. This is Education Family TV. See you next time where we will show you how to add and subtract the fractions by using equivalent fractions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.